It is the last video for the week. I can't believe it. You have made it to Friday in 7th grade. So let's go over, we're gonna do a little bit more today. You have no homework over the weekend if you have turned in everything else, okay? So, in your book, okay? Told you you're gonna need it. In your book. Today we're gonna be looking at pages 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is an introduction into chapter 1. Chapter 1, the first thing that we're going to be looking at are ratios and proportions. Now, ratios and proportions are ways that we compare two different things mathematically. All right? What you need to do. You're going to start with the review vocabulary part at the bottom of page 4. Okay? It gives you an input, it gives you a rule, it gives you an output. So what you're going to do, you're going to write in your book and tell me what comes out after you do whatever the rule says to that number 10. All right? You're going to look at the top of page 5. You're going to say either A, agree, or B, disagree with each of those statements and tell me why. If you don't tell me why, you're not getting full credit. Okay, this will be a completion grade on Monday. So on Monday, you're going to go around and they're going to just check off. Yes, you did it. No, you did not. Or you did some, but not all. Okay? Agree or disagree and tell me why. You will not get full credit if you don't tell me why. All right. At the bottom of page 5, I want you to do activity 1, but not activity 2. We're not going to go on online to do that part. So you're just going to do activity 1 and answer that for me in the book. Then,
Ms. Rhodes, if you're in the building, you have a person up front that would like to speak to you. Okay? Thank you.
Even when I'm here over this summer, we have announcements. Okay, then, after that, the vocabulary section. You need to look up the vocabulary. And you're going to do that. Okay, and you're going to do that by creating a foldable. Here's what the foldable is going to look like. You have a piece of paper. You're going to fold in front to the red line. Okay, create a fold. Okay, by doing this, can this still go in your binder? Yes. That way you still have it all available to you. You're going to write chapter 1 vocabulary at the top here. Then skip a line, write a word. Skip a line, write a word. Skip a line, write a word. I'm sorry. Skip a line, write a word. Then skip 2, write a word. So let's see what this looks like. Give me a second. I lost my pen. Sorry about that. So the first word is complex fraction. So on my paper, okay, skip a line, write a word. Then I'm going to skip 2 lines and write the next word, which is direct variation. Okay. See? It looks like that. You're going to skip 2 lines between each word. Then you're going to cut on the line between those 2, just to the fold. So cut from the open side into the fold. Okay? Underneath each flap, you're going to write the definition. Okay, write the definition on this part right here. If it'll fit. If it's a longer one, you can write it all the way across. Okay, but the definition has to fit underneath each flap. Now, I did this for 2 words. You need to do this for all the words. It might take more than 1 piece of paper. That's okay. That's okay. Use as many sheets as you need, but you need to have your vocabulary done as well for Monday as part of that completion grade. I'm going to get off of here so that you can get to work. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You have just about made it through your first week of 7th grade at Sneed. You are doing great. I will see you next week as we get started more in Chapter 1. Enjoy your weekend.